Damp mopping. Preparing yourself and your area. Ensure the correct PPE is worn at all times. Place A-frames or safety signs to clearly mark the area you are mopping, ensuring all access points are covered. If appropriate, ventilate the area being damp mopped. Preparing your equipment. Before you commence damp mopping, ensure that you understand the area you are mopping. Take the pulse off the cart. Connect the frame to the pulse mop handle. If using colour coding, ensure that the correct colour-coded pad is being used for the area. It is essential you use the correct colour pad in the correlating area to prevent any risk of cross-contamination. Place the appropriate pad on the floor, Velcro side up. Then, attach the pad to the frame by lowering the frame onto the Velcro side of the mop pad. Once you have prepared the cleaning solution according to the manufacturer's instructions, ensure the pulse mop is filled or refilled to the correct level. Mopping the floor. When using the pulse mop, ensure the trigger is facing away from you. This ensures you are using the pulse in the correct way and the liquid will be dispensed to the rear of the mop pad. To release the solution, press the trigger down until you have dispensed the required amount. Mop the floor using overlapping figure-of-8 strokes. Squeeze the trigger to release more cleaning solution when necessary, for example when the pad is dry. When the pad is dirty, it will need removing and changing for a new pad. Removing the pad from the frame. With one foot, step on the exposed edge of the pad. With the other foot, step on the edge of the frame. Lift the handle and the pad will peel away from the frame. To pick up the soiled pad, turn the frame 90 degrees and touch the centre of the frame on the centre of the pad to lift it up. Since the pad now folds in half, it can be easily removed from the frame. Put the dirty pad away, ready for laundering. When extra absorbency is needed, use the high absorbency damp mop pad. For tiled and safety floors, for example Altro floors, use the microfiber scrubber pad. Using the double-sided pulse system allows you to clean twice the amount of area, or gives the option of being able to dry as well as clean the floor. Mop the floor using overlapping figure-of-8 strokes. Squeeze the trigger to release more cleaning solution when necessary, for example when the pad is dry. When the pad is dirty, it will need removing and changing for a new pad. Ensure the floor is left as dry as possible. Return the equipment to the designated place on the cart. Remove A-frames and safety signs from your work area only when the floor is completely dry. Return to service. Clean equipment after use. Empty and wash out all buckets and equipment. This includes emptying or flushing through the pulse mopping system. If applicable, ensure lids are securely on all chemicals and that they are stored away safely.